Yan, ma'am. Ma'am, di mo makita ito ni ma'am? Hindi, ma'am.
First, stand up. Pag-ipot na yung mga papel. Arrange your chair. Marang sa ilalim. Christina Paner, Christina. Okay. Christina Paner. Here. Sam. Good morning, teachers.
Settle down, class. So before we start our lesson, do you remember how to identify similar triangles or figures? Okay. So before we start, let's start first an activity called triangle similarity check. So, identify the triangles that are similar and not similar. So, number one, what do you think? Is similar or not? Similar. Oh, why do you say so? Bakit din nasabing similar siya?
Right triangles.
Okay, Christina Cassandra?
Right triangles.
Okay, so what do you observe in its measurements? Okay, anyone who wants to try to check its similarity? Anyone? Okay, Krista, kindly. Prove that it is similar triangle. How can you prove? Okay, so what do you think? Is this similar or not? Okay, so these triangles are similar. So we will be discussing that later. Baka nagtataka kayo kung bakit siya is the same cm. The next is 4 cm to x. So, do you remember on how to solve the proportion? Oh. Anyone who wants to try? Wala? O, di ba ganito yun? Paano gagawin din is 12 over 6 is equal to 4x. Okay, very good. Then, we will do that. Okay, very good. So, magiging 12 times 6. 24.
6 times 4.
Okay, 22. 6 times 4. Then, 12x is equal to 24. Okay, very good. Then, how to get the value of x?
By
Both sides.
12.
Then x is equal to 2. Okay, very good. So, let's try to substitute the value of x. So, magiging
12
over 6 is equal to 4 over 2. So, can we simplify this one? Okay, so what do we go to use? 6? 6 divided by 6. 6 divided, okay, 1? Yes. Okay, 2. 4 divided by 2? Okay, so they are both. So, the triangles in number 1 are similar. How about in number 2? Anyone who wants to solve on the board? To check if it is similar or not. Just do the proportionality check. Okay? Anyone? Wala pa rin? Okay, you can try. Ready? O, dami. Wala pa rin? Okay, so let's try ulit. So, ano yung proportionality side ng 5 cm?
8 cm.
Ano ang proportionality side ng 5 cm?
8
Say 8 cm. The next,
X is 10 centimeter.
10 cm. Okay, so anyone who wants to try? Denise? Take the result on the board. Okay, then number 3, who wants to solve on the board?
Kasama na mga kapitán.
Kasi, based on our example number 3, the angle yung given. Ano ba ang kapag pinag-add mo itong angle na to, lahat, it should be okay, 180 degrees. So, itry nyo kung itong mga given angle is proportional sila. Anyone wants to try? Wait lang. Di ba kapag nag-proportional tayo is dapat mauna yung mas malaking number. Okay, so we will see if yung sinasabi yung ito number 2 if it is similar Okay, very good. Then, let's cross multiply. Anong 8 times 10? 60 times 5. Are you sure? Okay, so what do you think is the example number 2? It is similar or not? Okay, very good. So, number 1 and number 2 are similar. So, how about number 3? So, what are the given angles? So, what are the given angles in triangle 1? 81 and 60 degrees. 60 ba yun? Equal to? Okay, so kapag angle ang given, you just add. Then, equate it into, ilan ba ang total angle ng isang triangle? Okay, 180 degrees. So, 180 degrees. Meron tayong unknown dito na angle. Na isa pa. Okay. So, we can let the unknown x. Angle x. So, 81 plus 60 is ilan? 141. Plus x is equal to 180. So, what are we going to do to eliminate yung kasama ng variable? We're going to we're going to transfer it on the right side. So, magiging x is equal to, so ilan yung value ng x natin dito? Okay, very good. So, it is 39. Next, sa isang triangle naman. Ano yung given na angle? Okay, 81 and 40. Okay, so 81 plus 40 is? Tama ba siya? Okay, very good. 121 plus x plus 180 degrees. So, what are we going to do next? Okay, transpose. Transpose. Magiging? Okay, so the value of x is 59. Tama ba siya? 59. So, are they proportional? What do you think? So, are they proportional or not? Okay, so, example number 3 is not proportional. It's not similar. Okay, so let's try to look at this example. Okay, so, makinig kayo. Lucy draws 2 triangles on a graph paper. So, kunyari, ito yung triangle na tinong ni Lucy. properties ng proportion? Okay, so cross multiplication. Anyone? Go ahead. Bilis. Paano ba yung pag-check ng proportionality, di ba? Same side. Kunin nyo to. Let A is to A, B is to B, B is to B, and C is to C. Ano ba ang value ng A natin? 3. Okay, so magiging 3 is to 6. Sa B, 4 and 8. Okay, 4 is to 8. Okay, so this is 5 is to 10. So kapag ikaw ba multiplication natin siya ang gagawin? 3 of 6 over equal to 10 over 5. So, ano yung part natin gamitin pang reduce? Dito sa 6 over 3. O 3. O 2. Over 1. O dito ay 6 din tayo. So, yung dalawa kakarap. Station 3. Ito. Station 4. Then station 5. Jerome, dito ka kay Denise. Denise doon ka. Hindi, huwag mong sirain na. Oy, huwag mong sirain na na. Okay. So, si Kelly yung group leader dito. Ang pista ko Samuel, palit kayo. Okay, Vincent. Dito ka na. Okay, so are you ready? Ready na ba? Paunahan na. Paunahan magtaas ng station. You can form a circle. You can form a Okay, so are you ready? Okay, paunahan ah. Say if these two triangles are singular. Okay, first, find the value of x, then check x. Okay, so itong 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 10. Okay, sige, please settle down. Sit down muna. Okay, paunahan magtaas ng station. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Check this stuff. Is it similar or not? Why do you say no? Why do you say no? First, gagawin niyo yung proportionality check. Paano kayo magawa ng proportionality check? Identify niyo yung A, B, and C. O, sige na. Okay, ready? Why do you say similar? Station number 2. Okay, kindly prove it on the board. Okay, Jamil, kami can you prove it on the board? Okay? Let Jamil prove because they say that it is similar. Try to help your wait lang. Okay. So, what do you think? They are similar or not? Okay, very good. So, they are similar. So, station number 2 got the correct answer. Now, let's try to look at this word problem. Okay, everyone, can you read?
The size of 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. A similar triangle has a side of 8 centimeter. What is the length of the corresponding missing side?
Okay, so we have a representation here. Sabi dito, sa isang triangle, Okay, dami. Okay, so it is similar or not? Ano sabi mo? Ito? So, if you check it, similarity, just substitute the value of x, then you will get. Ito? Okay, very good. So, that is correct. So, let's clap for station 2 because they understand our network. Naiintindihan niyo ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Naiintindihan niyo? So, let's try another one. Okay. So, paunahan ulit. Paano nyo ba i-identify? Hi everyone, can you read the
Has a base of 30 centimeter and a height of 40 centimeter. A larger identical sign has a base of 60 centimeter. What is the height of the larger sign?
Okay, so ang height is sabi dito, a small triangular road sign has a base of 30 centimeter. Where do you think, saan natin nilalagay yung 30 centimeter? Anyone? May nagsabi kanina na yun?
Hindi.
Okay, Nick? Okay, sa may card, sa may? Why did you say side? Sabi dito, a small triangular road sign has a base of 30 centimeter. Okay, very good. So, dito natin ilalagay yung base. So, next, and the height of 40 cm. Saan natin ilalagay yung height?
Taas.
Okay, very good. Side. So, 40 centimeter. So, ito naman, a larger, sabi niya, since same sila, identical sign has a base of 60 centimeter. Saan ito ilalagay yung okay, sa baba. So, 60 centimeter. Then, our unknown is, okay, yung height, ang ating unknown. So, ito yung unknown natin. So, we will let this as x. Okay, can you solve for it? Missing side. Give chance to others naman. Okay, so station 1. Then Ray, can we try it on the board? Ito, may expense. Okay, so station 1 to the floor. Kailangan niyo munang i-analyze yung word problem natin bago niyo ma-identify which side is missing. So more on word problems tayo ngayon. Okay. So do you think the answer of Denry correct? Yes.
No.
Bakit ito sabi no? Sa station 3. Okay, station? Okay, station 3. Okay. Hayaan niyo siya. What if tama yung sagot niya? Okay, so, na-realize niyo na ba kung saan yung mali? Yes, ma'am. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so, is Krista correct? Yes. Station 3 got the correct answer. Now, for your individual activity, can you refer their work? Okay, so for 3 minutes, can we solve for the missing legs? In a 1/4 loaf pan paper. Okay, can we matulad yung mga station? Identify mo yung missing. Okay, now 1/4 sheet of cut paper. Everyone, can you read the directions? 1, 2, 3, go.
They will demonstration. They will lead the given lessons of for the life.
Basically, need to identify the missing legs first. The label, yung mga merong, ano ba yung sabi dito? The painting has a width of 30. Ito, sabi niya, mas maliit. 30 daw. Yung width niya. Ano ba ang width? Yung nasa? Baba. Sa, yung height niya naman is? Okay, very good sa side. So, yung mas malaki, a larger version of the painting has a width of? Okay, so what is our unknown? Okay, very good. Okay, so kindly copy that and that will serve as your assignment. Okay, so naintindihan ba yung lesson ngayon? Naintindihan niyo ba yung lesson? So we will have more problem solving tomorrow if you master our lesson properly. Okay? Okay na ba yung assignment nyo? Okay, so do you have any questions? Okay, sigurado ba na ikaw may question nyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if not, then let's go in the day to find that. Okay, so pagkatapos nila ibigay sa kanila.
Good.